Hey guys, Jeff the maintenance man here. This is our work order system. Some people were like, do you log the filter changes and stuff like that? Yeah, we do. So these are general work orders right here. It says 75 total. We have like less than that because we share this system with housekeeping. There are a lot of work orders, and see, as soon as it gets here to where Mike is, it's carpet cleaning and it goes all the way, whatever. We got bathroom sinks clogged, grab bar needs to be, closet doors broken off the hinges, shower door. We get a lot. We get a lot of work orders. Night light out in between North 141. They have porch lights. I don't understand why that's such a high priority. Somebody put it as high priority. So we can prioritize our work orders. We can do anything like carpet needs to be clean. That needs to be assigned to somebody else. But I'm not going to give you a whole name a list of people there. And, okay, besides that, we get about 75 of these tasks to do. Like, here you go. Detectors, smoke, heat detection units, emergency preparation drills. After, I knew this was coming, but after the Las Vegas shooting, we have gone through, like, not drills per se, but we had to watch training videos on what to do if there's an active shooter. It could happen. It could happen. What I'm going to do is go to my truck, go get my gun, and I'm going to take that fucker out. You don't come up in here and shoot up freaking grandmas. I mean, come on now. So I want to show y'all the HVAC. There it is. Okay, it says split systems, but it's kind of funky like that. We don't have this many splits. These are not split units. These are actual units, and this is for our memory care unit, which I just did. And you'll see a video. Well, you'll see a video of me doing the RTUs, I guess, but the ones on the bottom are outdoors as well. I mean, who wants to sit there and watch me slide in 14 filters? There's only 14 of these units. And as you can see, they're all labeled condenser unit, CU, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 115, 114, 113. They're not in that much of an order. It's just the order that we put the barcode on. And that gives us the serial number of the thing and everything, serial, make, and the model. They're all carriers. The walk-in cooler, I don't know why that would have a walk-in cooler. What? They don't have filters in walk-in coolers. See, they're like walk-in freezer. They don't have filters in there. It's a condensing unit. But anyway, so somebody commented and said you should log, I think we've got it logged. Somebody said you should log all this stuff, and I think we got it taken care of there, bud. All right. So yeah, this is what you're looking at. So everything in this system has pictures. I'm going to go back again. Hold on. I'll show you. We have assets. We're tagging assets all the time. Tagging our assets off. No. So what you have here is everything that we've tagged. We can tag every air conditioning unit. It's just it's a pain in the butt right now, and we only tag the new ones. So as we get a new one, I'll go up there, Florida Comfort to be up there installing it or something, but like, say cheese, and tag it, Well, I'm not that annoying. Usually it's after they've installed it and it's working. Emergency power generators, we have the serial numbers and everything. So what I want to do is I'll show you. Let's see if this one will work. See how we have work order, repair, service request, all this stuff. If our corporate would want to pay for the service, we could make what's called a preferred vendor list. And we do have that. And when I can press service request, and then I can, boom, I can hit, this is, oh God. See? So it's got drain cleaning, electrical, kitchen, whatever, blah, blah, blah. If it's something I can't handle or anybody on the property can't handle, like we just spent $40,000 replacing that pipe. Remember that? There was a video where they had the truck, it was sucking all the dirt up and stuff like that. That was like 20 grand. Or no, it was 10 grand. So it's 20 grand total. 10 grand, and then it leaked past that again, and they had to come back out, and this time they used the backhoe because they knew where the electrical wires were. They didn't have to call before they dug because they were just out here. And that cost us roughly almost 10 grand. A little under that time. But, yeah. So, we could do that. We'd be like, oh, something's wrong in the kitchen. I don't know anything about gas or whatever. And then, it gives, assisted living generator switch isn't working properly, blah, blah, blah. And you can request service like that. Anybody. Another interesting fact about this is, all right, let's look at our dishwasher here. You got the images too. See, it's captured by me back in 2015. There's an image of the unit, and then they want an image of the data plate with the serial number and model number. And right there beside it, you can see that little direct supply tells barcode. All I have to do is scan that with my phone and then put in service request. And it will take from our vendors list and send somebody out to fix it. If I can't fix it. That's how easy it is. I love it. I kind of like this system. It is somewhat of a pain in the butt because you have some people that like take pictures like this. Say this is how you would input it. You would scan the barcode, take a nameplate, and then photograph the entire item. And because this is stamped metal, for some reason, I guess they use some kind of algorithm or something, kind of like Google does or something, and it reads the tags. But you can't like click on the picture to get a bigger picture, so, and then you can't back out of it until you try to select the picture, and then, there's little bugs, but they're working on it. I mean, now it actually, the whole work order system tells when somebody marks off a work order, when somebody changes the status of a work order, what time, date it was done. Which I so glad they updated that. To add a new work order, I can just simply hit like the plus sign, title. I can put in like East 233 or something, which doesn't even exist, I don't think. And then a description, which is not needed. Front desk does that because back in the day, when you put in a title, it would just tell you the title. Then you have to click on the work order. So let's see. Yes, I want to abandon that. So see, they're still doing it. Like North 123 dishwasher won't run, but now it has a location underneath it. Before, it didn't have that. And it, you know, this is a lot better system now than it was, you know, a couple years ago. But we've been using this. You get a company phone working at my company, and for on-call, you can do all this stuff. At any moment's notice, I can lock down our memory care facility with this phone. Any moment's notice. Let's say we do have an active shooter. The first thing I would do, while walking to my car to go get my gun to take the fucker out, excuse me, I would lock down the entire memory care unit so nobody can go in or out. And then I would call over there. And say, don't leave. All the doors are closed. They're locked up. That you can lock that place down like a prison if you wanted to. Nobody's key code will work. Won't let them in or out. They can use their manual key to go in and out of doors. Not recommended. But, you know, that's probably one of the things I would do in a situation like that. At least you could evacuate people, and you could use your key to still get in there. Once you pull that key out, you know, they're locked down. They're behind all steel doors. You know, stay away from the doors and windows. You'll be all right. So, it's one of the things I would probably do. But yeah, just this is how our work order system works. It's an app on my phone. Pretty cool. I like it. You know, we got 5 overdue. It tells you when you're overdue. You know, September. Oh, see, it requires documents. I don't know what they're asking for documents. See, when these require documents, you have to scan or fax documents into what do they want us to do? Contact regional assistant manager for contact specifications. System must be certified by a licensed vendor. See, they give you all these instructions too. So that's pretty cool. I mean, it's not a new thing. I know this, and y'all have seen me do a fire drill. That's always not fun, actually. I don't like doing fire drills. I feel like I'm pissing everybody off by doing that. I really do. Guys. I mean, back in maybe high school, middle school or something, I would be like a little schoolgirl. I pulled the fire alarm. You know, no, yeah. I don't like it. It gets me worked up. When they first put in the system, a little story I'll share with you is when they first put in the system and they hit a fire alarm, the initial test of the fire alarm system, because they put horns in the rooms and they put horns and strobes outside in the hallway. Damn thing is loud. I am talking loud, and there's a lot of flashy lights. What you saw when Jeff pulls a fire alarm video, that was AL. That was our assisted living facility. But when you get into independent, dude, and that sound comes down that hallway, holy crap. There is no mistaking that there's a freaking fire. Holy crap. You can hear it probably a block away. Safety committee meeting. I'm in that. So they do even... I know this video is going on and on and on, guys. I mean, but if you're curious of how we document things and everything, we even have a safety committee. They were talking about you've probably seen it before in one of my videos, but it's called a safety bar on the ladder that goes to the roof. I've tripped up on that thing almost and busted my ass. The thing is not safe.
Front desk to maintenance, over.
It looks like I'm being called. So, what's Jeff the maintenance man? You know.
Maintenance, the nurse just called. She says AL.
Oh, God.
127.
Just a minute, man, guys. You have a good one.
If someone can stop by there,
It's a TV. A TV work order. That's great. Okay, 10-4. Yep, they always... Real quick, guys, before I go. Real quick. Sorry. Something that we do that apartment maintenance probably does not do, and if you do work in apartment maintenance, please let me know this. Do you have to go fix people's remote controls because they press the TV input button and put it on HDMI 1 instead of HDMI 2? Because that's what 90% of our work orders are. And it's priority. Because these people have nothing else to do. You find them something to do, they'll be more distracted, and it'll make your life a lot easier. Especially working here. So we put that as priority. AC, TV, phone, internet, that they don't need internet here that much because nobody knows how to use that. It's like, YouTube? What's YouTube? But anyway, I'm just saying, so here's a safety committee, stuff, things to check out. So, Jeff the Maze Man, y'all have a great day. Stay safe.